if 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n plus 1 equals to 320, then n is equal to, here is some option, we have to find out the value of n. So first here is a 2 to the power n plus 1 plus 2 to the power n plus 1, sorry, here is a minus 1, right? So we have to careful about this one, and then equals to 320. Now this one we can write like 2 to the power n times 2 to the power minus 1. How? Because we know if a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n. Same thing in here, 2 to the power n times 2 to the power 1 equals to 320. Now we can take common 2 to the power n. In this case, as per negative exponent, it means a to the power minus n, we can write 1 divide a to the power n. Same thing, 2 to the power minus 1, we can write 1 by 2, plus we already take common 2 to the power n, so here is only 2. Now here is a 320. Now it's the important part, 2 to the power n, and here is a LCM 2, so here is 1 plus 2 times 2 is a 4 equals to 320. Now 2 to the power n times 1 plus 4 is a 5 by 2 equals to 320. Now as per cross multiplication, we can multiply both sides by 2 by 5. How? 2 to the power n times 5 by 2, and we are going to multiply 2 by 5 in both sides. So 320 times 2 by 5. So this case, this 2 and 2 out, 5 and 5 out, and here is 2 to the power n equals to 320 divide 5. We can use calculator if allow. So 320 divided 5 is a 64. 64 times 2 equals to 128. 128. How? Because 320 divided 5 is a 64. Now 64 times 2 is a 128. Next, we can write 2 to the power n, and here is a 128 can be write 2 to the power 7. We know once base are same, it means a to the power m equals to a to the power n. Once base are same, that time power will be equal, m equals to n. So in this case, n equals to 7. So let's back in the question option. So number D is our right answer. So this kinds of math is very important. You have to practice almost every day because indices is a very important part of mathematical scenario. So this video I'm trying to solve this one. Next video will come very soon, and I'm trying to solve this kinds of math more and more because it's a very important. So no more today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.